What are your thoughts before even doing this?
I'm scared. We're doing the cinnamon challenge.
Stand over there so you can spit it out.
Alright. Oh wait, I have to... Hold on. Before you do this, okay? We're at my friend's house and we're doing the cinnamon challenge. Well, only she is.
It's for us doing. We already did it like
50 times.
I'm scared.
How you feeling? Your throat's gonna hurt.
Well, where's the cup of water?
I don't know, but I was just reading that.
Oh, there it is. Alright. There's her, there's two keys, we didn't go to it yet. Alright. Ready? Now do it.
Do it. Oh my god, I'm so scared. You gotta face this.
Let me see your face.
Your face is red.
Swallow it. That sounds dirty. It does.
Exactly.
I can't hold it. Mom's gonna be so angry. We're not doing anything, Mom. And my mom's outside. See, I told you she was gonna get the water.
Ow! Smells pretty good though.
It does.
Smells like cinnamon.
Mm-hmm.
Wonder why. Ew.
Yeah. We should totally just like show this to your mom. Her mom.
See what she does.
No, just see what her mom's reaction is. When you hear it. You're gonna show this to your mom?
Get it out of my mouth. That's the point. Surprisingly, this is the first time she's done it. Why are you still recording this?
Because we're just gonna record the whole time.
That's nasty.
You regret this now.
Exactly.
Yep, we use this kind of cinnamon. Let me see something about this.
Time for the salt and ice challenge. Yay.
We're out of here, Genie.
Not here.
What do you mean? Are you an imposter of her?
You good now, Michaela?
Should I go out?
It's going down my throat. That sucks.
You swallow the water.
That tastes horrible. Can't you die from the
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need to stop recording
A
now.
girl can I think a girl died from the cinnamon challenge. She choked. Thanks for making me worry. I didn't want to tell you before we did it.
I told her that people can die.
Oh, never mind.
Okay.